This is my switch box for ignition switch box for a Phantom 2 Rolls-Royce 1933 MW series serial number. As you can see it here from the back side, it looks something like this. You got all the printed numbers in the backlit, and what I did was loosen the screws up here, down here and here, and then you can kind of pull them away. You have to be careful, very careful, when you're taking it apart. I found my screwdriver here. So here the backlit needs to be separated. This is can be very fragile, so be careful of that. But mine went actually off quite well. So just lift it up here, and as you can see it inside, you have all the connections. What I discovered with mine, I had a malfunction here. You see the screwdriver, and actually this whole area of the backlit was burned away due to a bad connection up here. So what I did is with some epoxy glue, I created a new corner here, drilled a new hole, cleaned every connection and contacts up, and then mounted it again. And hopefully now this will work. Just have to assemble it into the housing again. As you can see here now, here we have the, if you need to repair your key connection, then you can do it here. So this is where my key go in. And actually I had to clean mine up because I couldn't pull off my keys. So now I think I'm ready to go. And I think it came out pretty good, this section that I had to glue up. That's it. So now you know what it looks like inside one of these ignition switch boxes from a old Rolls-Royce. So if you need to clean it up, just go ahead and do it.